Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we will see how to get direct admission in private medical colleges if you have low NEET score. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Install MBBS Council Android App. It contains everything you need to know to predict and rank medical colleges for your NEET rank. There are two choices to take direct MBBS admission. One is private medical college and another is deemed university medical college. There are close to 31,000 MBBS seats in private medical colleges across India and 8,800 MBBS seats in deemed university private medical colleges. We need to understand what happens to NRI Quota seats during government counselling to know how direct MBBS admission works. 15% seats in private colleges as well as deemed university medical colleges are allotted as NRI Quota. This comes close to 6,000 NRI MBBS seats. Do you know that every year less than 1,200 candidates qualify under NRI and OCI category put together? Under PIO category, no one qualified for the past 2 years. There are a lot of NRI seats, but there are very few takers. So, all these NRI seats will remain vacant after mopup round counselling, which is the last government counselling conducted by MCC and state counselling authorities. Let's see what happened during last year MCC counselling for MGM Medical College, Navi Mumbai. This is one of the high-ranking medical college with management quota NEET score cutoff of 474 last year. This college has 23 NRI seats with tuition fees of $60,000 per year. During first round, none of the NRI seats were filled. In other two rounds, only one NRI seat got filled. So, remaining 21 NRI seats were handed over to MGM Navi Mumbai for stray round counselling. In stray round counselling also, only one NRI seat got filled. MGM Medical College cannot leave these NRI quota seats vacant as it incurs loss of revenue. So, they convert these NRI quota seats into management quota seats and fill them with tuition fees ranging between management quota tuition fees and NRI quota tuition fees, which is between 20 lakhs per year and $60,000 per year depending on the demand. If you see last year allotment statistics by MCC, you can know how many seats are getting converted from NRI to management quota during stray round counselling. Last year, there were 1,237 NRI seats available in deemed university medical colleges. Out of this, only 150 seats got filled in the first round. 90 seats got filled during the second round. 41 filled during the mopup round and 289 seats were filled during stray round counselling. In all rounds, only 570 NRI seats were filled out of the 1,237. Remaining 717 NRI seats were unfilled. So, the respective colleges converted it to management quota seats, and out of this, only 497 management converted seats were filled. In effect, 220 seats in deemed university last year did not get filled. So what you can observe is that you can negotiate tuition fees during direct admission based on the last year allotment statistics. To get last year allotment statistics for any deemed university, contact admission helpline 044 4631 3330 to get the details. For deemed universities, management quota tuition fees range between Rs 10 lakhs per year and Rs 26 lakhs per year. For NRI quota, tuition fees ranges between $33,000 to $60,000 per year. For direct MBBS admission, tuition fees may fall between this range. So based on the last year allotment data, you can negotiate tuition fees during the direct admission. If you are looking for expert guidance during this year counseling to get best medical college for your NEET rank, contact Paid Admission Helpline 044-4631-3330. We provide you counseling tricks, help you analyze quality of medical college and much more. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. Subscribe to this channel to get counseling updates. See you in the next video.